In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best faucet water filter in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which faucet water filter is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Winxel Faucet Water Filter. Unitary one-piece housing, no welding, no rust, no crack, no leak, lead-free 304 stainless steel. Item consists of 1X filter, 4X adapters, 1X manual, 5X gaskets. Filter component meets NSF/ANSI 42 criterion. Boost taste and decrease impurities, suitable for municipal water. 320 gallons lengthy life, 3L/min water circulation, money saving, and no waiting. Freely swiveling permits water output at any instructions, decrease impurities up to 2 rust, dust, sand, turbidity, minimize odor, smell, color as well as chlorine, improve taste, can't lower TDS. Max life, 320 gallons or 6 months. Depends upon the water quality. Various sorts of substitute cartridge for various function. Computer filter enhance preference. CRM filter recyclable filter suitables for well water. Political action committee filter 320 gallons lasting and high flow. 5-in-1 filter reduce heavy metals. Boost preference. Rise water pH degree. Remineralize water. Here is the item number 4, Aquacrest Faucet Filter Replacement. High-efficiency filtration. Aquacrest Faucet Water Filter makes use of premium all-natural coconut-triggered carbon block with a reduction rate of chlorine. It is also examined to decrease heavy metals, preference as well as odor, sediment, rust, and so forth. The reliable filtration is committed to offering you a superb water experience. More powerful water circulation, your time is valuable. Aquacrest Faucet Filter satisfies the demands of both high efficiency as well as fast filtration without awaiting costs filtering system water. Numerous methods to utilize. No matter if it's for drinking, cooking, brewing coffee, or making tea, you should have revitalizing as well as great tasting water. Our faucet filter meets your water requirements in various ways. Longer service life. Take pleasure in freshwater by replacing your filter every 4 months or 100 gallons. Whichever precedes will certainly vary based upon water top quality. Suitable versions: Brita Faucet Filter, Breeda 36311 Filter Substitute, Breeda 36312 Tap Water Filter, Breeda FF100 Filter Replacement, Breeda Chrome Tap Filter, Breeda FR200 Substitute Filter, Glacier Fresh GF 36311. Fits all Breeda Faucet Water Filter Systems. Breeda Basic Tap Water Filter System, Breeda 1006025835618935618 Faucet Water Filtration System, Breeda 7540545 On Tap Filter System, Breeda Communicar 063772 Tap Water Filtering System. This filter is not sourced by or sponsored by Breeda. The item number 3, Besdor Stainless Steel Water Faucet. NSF qualified turned on carbon block purification. A Faucet 1 faucet water filter makes use of the most advanced activated carbon block purification technology. Filter satisfies NSF/ANSI 42 and 53 criterion, efficiently filters sand, dirt, corrosion, chlorine, lead, and also various other pollutants in the water, to improve the preference as well as absorb the strange smell of water, and also provides you with the cleanest and healthy and balanced alcohol consumption water. Food quality 304 stainless steel. The A Faucet 1 faucet water filter is made from top-notch food-grade stainless steel to guarantee your water safety. Compared to plastic filters, A Faucet 1 faucet water filter does not launch any kind of dangerous compounds. No contortion, no leakage, and also much more resilient. 320 gallons longer service life. Each filter can filter 320 gallons, 1,200 liters, of water, as well as has a much longer lifespan, which can meet the water requirements of a huge household for 3 months. Easy to mount, the plan includes the setup thread adapter and also the gasket, which can be easily installed on the faucet. Faucet 1 faucet water filter has 2 water outlets, which can be switched over in between tap water as well as filter water at will. Easy to set up, no devices, no need to customize the kitchen sink. Number 2 in our list, Waterdrop Steel Faucet Water Filter. NSF accredited filter. Our filter is examined and licensed by NSF/ANSI 42 for chlorine decrease and NSF/ANSI 372 for lead-free products. It effectively lowers lead, debris, rust, fluoride, and also other harmful substances. Besides, it utilizes extra mineralization filtration media, including beneficial minerals in the water. 320 G longer life and also secure circulation price. The faucet water filter provides 320 gallons tidy, filtered water for up to 3 months utilize. You can fill a cup in SIXS thanks to the 0.5 GPM quick circulation price. Food grade 304 stainless steel, as well as 360 degrees rotating. The countertop faucet water filtration system takes on a deep drawing creating process that is joint-free and also anti-corrosion. The 360 degrees revolving tap layout allows you to obtain water in any type of instructions. Multiple applications and also easy installment. The faucet water filter is readily available for the kitchen area, shower room, family pet alcohol consumption, motorhome, etc. The drill-free features enable you only plug to use. The top one in our list, Brita Basic Faucet Water Filter System. This total Brita faucet water filter attaches to your basic tap, making tap water cleaner and great tasting. The purification system is very easy to mount, no tools called for. Obtain great tasting water without the waste. By changing to Breeda, you can save money as well as change 1.8K single-use canteen annually. The room-efficient style affixes directly to your tap to give you an option of 3 hassle-free spray alternatives for everyday requirements: filtered water, unfiltered water, and unfiltered spray, available in white, and also consists of a digital filter indicator for simple replacement reminders, elevation 4.86 inch, size 4.69, depth 2.26, weight 0.84 extra pounds. Minimize 99% of lead, chlorine, taste as well as odor, asbestos, particulates, benzene, and also a lot more. A valuable status indicator allows you to recognize when to change the filter with an easy one-click filter replacement. Change your tap mount water filter every 100 gallons or roughly every 4 months to maintain water sampling great. This tap water filter fits common taps only, does not fit pull-out or spray-style taps. Versus faucet, 16.9-ounce water bottle. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best faucet water filter amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.